In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Steam Link with cable. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to essentially use Steam Link on your MetaQuest headset with a cable. Now, by default, Steam Link can only be connected wirelessly, so you need to use a Wi-Fi connection. Because of this, we aren't going to be using Steam Link specifically, but the result will still be the same. So you will have access to all of your Steam games on your MetaQuest 3 using a cable, and you can play them within Steam VR. If you wanted to exclusively use Steam Link, then sadly, according to all the research that I've done, there doesn't seem to be a method to use a cable. But if you are willing to use Steam VR, which should give you the same results as Steam Link, then you can use a cable. So to start, I recommend downloading the MetaQuest Link application. This will need to be used in conjunction with Steam VR that you can download on Steam itself. So download the MetaQuest Link app onto your computer, and also make sure that you have Steam VR installed on your Steam library. Now go ahead and connect your MetaQuest headset using a cable. So plug one end of the cable into the headset, the other one into your PC or laptop. Enable Oculus Link. So if you see this prompt, make sure to enable it, or you can go into the quick settings and also find it here, Oculus or Quest Link. Inside of the Link app itself, you can manually add a device. So if for whatever reason it isn't showing up here already after you enabled it, go to Add Headset, choose your particular headset model, and then select Link Cable. Follow the instructions, the same one that I gave you, and then it will be connected. With this done, you can now run Steam VR from your headset virtual desktop environment, and all of your Steam library will be available. Of course, games that have VR support, and you will be able to play them directly on your headset as long as your computer is running Steam VR and connected to your Quest headset using a cable. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.